JEEP Wrangler, we're going to do a side marker. Yep. Take a look at the radio again. So, sail down with these clips. And one hook here, this comes out. There's a hole on the bottom side, and you can actually grab in here so you can run the wire. We're just going to connect this to the turn signal here. This is the turn signal, which is, it looks like a white, maybe gray, that comes from here. The other one is also white. That's the parking light. That's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires that's going into the middle plug, and that's the parking light.